And then I'll okay, bleh, bleh, bleh. Hey guys, what's up? Thanks so much for joining me today. If you're new here, I'm so glad that you're joining me. And if you are not new, thanks so much for coming back and checking out another video. So today I have a super amazing video for you. I have been waiting for a little while to film this just because I kind of wanted to have enough products to show you guys, and I'm so excited about this because as you guys know, I hit my 2-year, I think my 2-year anniversary, or maybe you don't know, but I hit my 2-year anniversary on YouTube today, and I put in so much hard work and just so much determination. And you know, I've had a couple of here and there breaks, but I am so happy to be back and focused, and I thought what a perfect way to celebrate my 2-year anniversary on YouTube than to do a huge Pixi PR haul. I feel so blessed because Pixi has been sending me amazing PR packages, and I wanted to go ahead and share those with you today because they are some great products, and I know some of them are new to their line. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you what they have been sending to me and just kind of show you each of the products and let you know what is out there from Pixi. And the amazing thing about PR is that, you know, we as influencers work so hard and we put so much effort into our channels. And when our effort is seen from companies as amazing as Pixi, it really helps to solidify that what we're doing is really, you know, showing and really paying off. So the fact that Pixi has sent me so many amazing packages, it just makes me want to work even harder so that I can continue to do well on my channel and share, you know, my life with you guys. And I'm just so grateful to them. If you are watching Pixi, thank you so much for all of these amazing packages. It means the world to me. I think we should just jump in because I have a lot to show you guys. If you're interested to see all of the amazing PR packages that Pixi has sent me, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so right behind me, I have put all of the Pixi PR packages that I've received. I've unboxed them all, and I kind of have them just behind me so I can grab them and show you everything and just talk about each individual like package and what they sent me. I have showed you guys one before. My very first Pixi PR package came back in July of this last year of 2018, and I do have a video on that. It's a pretty heartfelt video because I at that point was feeling super depressed about some things, and I just had a really bad day, and so the fact that I got that package in the mail made everything so much better. I will link that video in the cards for you guys to check out if you want to see my very first Pixi PR package. I won't be including that one today, so if you want to check that out, you can go ahead and check out the video right here somewhere up there in space. Let's go ahead and get started. So here we go. This is a really amazing, cute package. They always send the most amazing like packaging. I mean, this is one of the only brands that has sent me PR other than like odds and ends, but their packaging is super cute. This is what it looks like. And you open it up like an envelope. And okay, so it says right here, it says, I would love for you to mix your dream color and name it. I'm excited to see what you create. My idea was to create your own lipstick shade and send it in, but unfortunately we didn't get a chance to do that. This little envelope right here just says, Pixi, can't wait to see what you've created. And then it says, don't forget to send back your custom shade by December 31st, 2018. So it came with all of their lipstick shades, and then I'll show you what they gave me to create my own lipstick. But these are the Matte Last Liquid Lips. I want to swatch them all, you guys, but I have so much to show you. I don't think that I should. Right now, I'm just gonna kind of show you what was in the package. So there are 11 of their liquid lipsticks, and you guys know I am all about liquid lipsticks. So these are the shades: Au Naturel, Bare Beauty, Matte Beige, Pastel Petal here, Really Rose, Evening Rose, Peony Pink, Prettiest Pink, Orange Red, which I love that, Real Red here, and Berry Boost, which is right here. So these lipsticks are infused with rosehip oil, and it says this long-wearing liquid lip sets to a matte veil for full-on color while keeping lips hydrated. I'll definitely have to try these out and let you guys know. Maybe in another video I can do like a try on with these and swatch them for you and try them on like an actual lip swatch video. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see that, just kind of, you know, looking at the colors and giving you guys a review on them. I would love to do that for you. So the next part that came in this package is the part where you were supposed to create your own lipstick. It just says, Pixie Beauty is all about making you look and feel like your most gorgeous self. Now it's your turn to help inspire a new shade in our award-winning formula. Have fun mixing your dream shade, XOXO Petra. And then it just kind of tells you the steps. So you were supposed to blend the shades using the colors provided in the Pixie jars, post a video or image of mixing your shade on Instagram, fill the Pixie jar with your signature shade and send it back to us, and then da-da-da-da. So they sent you a bunch of different, like really pretty colors. I'll show you guys. So this is one of the shades that they sent. It's like a really pretty like brown, and then they sent a red. Looks like that. I might still create my shade just because I want to. And then of course a white, because white is always the base that you need for most lipsticks. And then they sent a yellow, just like that. And then in the middle, they just sent an empty jar to send in the lipstick to this little with this little envelope. So that is super cute. I really love the packaging, and it just was amazing to receive this. I was so excited because when you get like the entire set or the entire line of something, it just makes your heart feel so full. So I thought that that was really amazing. This one was from October. So that one that I just showed you guys, that one's actually from November, December-ish, and this is from October, November. They gave it to me in this cute little bag. No tricks, just skin treats. And so what they did was they sent me glow tonics and rose tonics in this little bag, and there's a couple of each. So the glow tonic is to exfoliate and brighten. The rose tonic is to balance and calm. The glow tonic, it is formulated with 5% glycolic acid. This miracle working toner exfoliates, brightens, and smooths the skin, resulting in a healthier glow. And then the rose tonic is to balance and calm. It says naturally soothing and rich in nutrients. This tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimize redness, and calm skin. And each of them have extracts of certain things. They gave me quite a lot of each, and what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep one of each, obviously, and then include in my next giveaway when I reach 3K. I will include a couple of these or a few of these in that giveaway. We have 4 rose, I believe, and 6 glow. Yeah, rose come in these right here, just these cute little bottles, and the glow tonic are in the bigger bottles like this. So I have 5 of each. So yeah, that'll be fun to incorporate into a giveaway with you guys. Anytime I get any PR, I always try to incorporate it into a giveaway so that you guys can benefit as well. It's always neat to incorporate PR packages into giveaways just because I want to share with you guys everything. If I could share the world, I would. And I love that it came in like this cute little bag. It'll be great for traveling, and yeah, they just have this guy right here. So this one was huge, and when I got it at my door, I was so excited. I had no idea what it was going to be. So they sent it in this huge long package, and it says Pixie Glow on it. And then inside you have, it says Pixie Glow, share your Pixie Glow selfie for a chance to be featured. Tag Pixie Glow or Pixie Beauty and Pixie Glow. So they sent a ring light, which is super cute. It's just a little selfie light that you put on your phone. It comes with a little charging port. What I love about Pixie is that they always try to include like a little gift with their packages, which I think is so cute and so selfless. Like that just means the world to me that they send like these little gifts. They have 2 different products. So the first one right here is Pixie Glow Cake. This is the Gilded Fair Glow. So this is a 3-in-1 luminous transition powder. And it says the silky soft light diffusing cheek glow palette enhances and perfects as it maximizes complexion radiance infused with peptides ceramides and antioxidants. It adds a luminous sheer wash of color for a smooth, natural finish. And you're just supposed to use the pressed powders individually or blend them together to achieve a perfect, seamless pixie glow. But again, let me know if you want me to do separate videos trying out each of these packages and letting you kind of know my thoughts, and I'm reviewing each item. And then the next one is Pixie Glow Cake in Pink Champagne Glow, and it's the same kind of idea, but just in pink rather than gold. Super neat. I haven't even really used any of these products yet just because I wanted to show you guys. So this one right here came for Christmas. It was a Christmas gift. I got it on Christmas Eve, so that was super amazing. And it just says Pixie Skin Treat since 1999. It came with a little bow. You guys, when I got this, I cried. I'm not even kidding. So it opens like this. Oh, it's tied with the bow. I cried, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm such a sap. Okay, so it goes like, oh my God, like this. Okay. Do you guys see what this bottle says? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says my name. Look, it says my name. And then it has some cotton swabs in it. Right here on the little, right here on the stand, it says, treat your skin to our award-winning glow tonic, personalized just for you, lovely. So this is the same product that I got in this bag right here. So it's just a bigger version, which is another reason why I think I'm gonna put these in a giveaway. This right here is, again, just it's supposed to gently exfoliate and brighten, revealing healthy glowing skin. For all skin types, alcohol-free, use AM or PM as needed. After cleansing, apply with a cotton pad, avoiding eye area. So I know some people who get PR got the Rose Tonic, but I was actually really happy that I got the Glow Tonic because this is one of my favorite products. When I got this as a present, I couldn't believe it because I loved this last year, I think. I was all about this last year. And so to get this from Pixie as a Christmas gift, on top of a stand with little cotton swabs, you guys, like, how cute is this? I was so excited when I got this. I mean, it was really amazing. What inspired me to film this video was getting this package yesterday. This has been probably the best one so far. I mean, all of these are amazing and I'm so grateful for them. But when I got this one in the mail, you guys, I could not believe it. It came in a train case like this. And when you open it up, you guys are gonna freak. It has all of this stuff in it. Look at this. And it has my name again right here. So it has this cute little like pocket. And then it hangs like this on the little hanger. And it says, Dear Roxanne, bon voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosy journey and hope my rose-infused favorites will take you on a hydrated journey to your dream skin. Thank you for all your Pixie love. The fact that they have so many people that they send this stuff to, and they're still taking the time to put our names on this, like, that is so cool. That's just so amazing. So this is our little card it came with, and it says, Pixie Bon Voyage, enjoy a hydrated journey to your dream skin with rose-infused favorites. And then it has all of their products right here. So I'll just kind of open everything and then show you guys what each of them are. So this right here are the Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes, and they are supposed to be makeup melting cleansing cloths. So these are just used to obviously take off your makeup. And then the next one is the Rose Cream Cleanser. And these are full sizes, you guys. They're not, like, Pixie doesn't jip. Like, these are all full sizes. So this right here is the cleanser, and it's just supposed to obviously cleanse your face, right? So it's a nourishing cream cleanser with mineral-rich mud, cleanses skin as it helps strengthen and soften. Rose and avocado conditions, chamomile and aloe vera soothes for all skin types, including very sensitive. And the next one is the Rose Tonic. So I got a full size, or like a large size, in the Glow Tonic, and then this is a full size in the Rose Tonic. This is just to, again, tone your face. So this right here is to hydrate. This is the Rose Caviar Essence, and this is it has rose and grapeseed oil. So it's supposed to help moisturize. With the Rose Caviar Essence, it is supposed to, let's see, so it's encapsulated flower oil suspended in this weightless serum essence. Melt onto the skin, delivering fresh botanicals to hydrate and restore skin's brightness for optimum radiance. Formulated with antioxidant-rich natural oils, this formula will soften, refine, and tone for all skin types. And you're just supposed to use it to cleanse. After cleansing and toning, press gently into the skin, neck, and décolleté and let absorb. And this is step 4 to help hydrate the skin. Okay, and then step 5 is the boost. So that is the Rose Flash Balm in this box right here. It's a radiance boosting balm, and it's the ultimate pick-me-up for tired, lackluster skin, helping with signs of fatigue in a flash. This 3-in-1 oil-free, quick-absorbing formula instantly moisturizes and brightens and is great as a revitalizing mask as well as a primer to prep skin for perfect makeup application. And it just says that you need to use this as a treatment primer. Apply a thin layer to face and neck after cleansing. Do not rub. Follow with foundation if desired. To use as a mask, apply a thick layer and leave on for 5 minutes 2 to 3 times a week. That's cool. So you can use this as a primer or as a mask. I think I'll be doing a video on all of these products, you guys. I think I'll do like a Pixie skincare routine. Let me know if you're interested in that video, and I'll just do like a whole like nighttime skincare routine with just these products, and we'll try them out and we'll see how they work and all of that good stuff. So number 6 is this guy right here. And this is just an ultra-rich moisture cream infused with rose flower and oil. This moisturizer drenches your skin in deep hydration. Antioxidant-rich plant extracts and ceramides help to improve skin's elasticity and lock in intense moisture while helping to protect against environmental aggressors. It quenches thirsty skin, leaving it healthier, more supple, and smoother. Use daily as needed after cleansing, toning, and using essence or serum. Apply onto skin. Next step is to use the Rose Blend Oil, which is this one right here. And this says, a powerful youthful preservative. This Luxe Oil Blend is a rich source of botanical extracts and vitamin E, helping to protect, nourish, and strengthen. Skin is rejuvenated and elasticity is improved, resulting in healthy, plump, and luminous skin for all skin types. Use AM and PM. Massage 2 or 3 drops onto cleansed, toned skin for extra hydration and glow. Add 1 to 2 drops to your moisturizer before applying. Let's smell this real quick. Oh, good thing I like rose-infused products. The next one is the, oh yes! This is the Makeup Setting Mist. You guys, this stuff is so good. Okay, so this is the Makeup Fixing Mist. This is just to obviously fix your makeup, but it is infused with rose water and green tea. I love this stuff, you guys. Oh my gosh. So it prolongs makeup wear and keeps from moving, melting, or setting into fine lines and pores. You can use it before makeup or after makeup. And then they also gave me the glow one. This is my favorite glow mist, you guys. This is the Rose Glow Mist. So you get both the set makeup fixing mist and the glow rose glow mist. So cool. And then the train case, you guys, is just absolutely cute. Like, it is really cute. Okay, so that is everything from my huge Pixie PR haul. I am so excited and so blessed and so grateful to have Pixie send me these amazing gifts, and I just really hope that I did them justice by filming this video. I will definitely be doing reviews on all of these products, including the very first PR package that I ever received with the highlighters and the I think they're like liquid eyeshadows. Leave me a comment down below on what you guys want to see first, and I will gladly film that for you. I'm so grateful that you are all here watching me and that you are part of the Edgy fam. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. I can't wait to share another PR haul with you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and take care of each other, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!